Welcome back to our channel. We know you love creative and interesting ideas, and today's video is all about that. We'll show you how to create a board on Pinterest and satisfy your aesthetic senses. You'll need to have the Pinterest app installed and an account created. Now let's get started. Open the Pinterest app. Access your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the plus sign. Choose the board option. Name your board. We're going to create a fashion board. If you want your board to be hidden from others, you can enable the Keep This Board Secret option. We'll skip that for now. Tap Next. Pinterest will suggest pins that you can add to your board by tapping the plus sign. Once you've selected the pins, tap Done, and your board is created. This way, you'll save and organize all your ideas. We believe you'll like this idea. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel. See you again soon.